more about what we have, how we can integrate, whether it's our products or processes, and actually create a go-to-market strategy which will be fast-paced. So that's one thing, more focus on integration than innovation. Second, from a procurement standpoint or a supply chain standpoint, moving further away from a transactional relationship with our partners to more of a transformational or partner-related relationship. So transactional means, it's basically give, 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 give. That's what I want. Give me everything you have. There's nothing to offer you. Whereas transformational and partnership is creating a relationship where we are looking out for each other. And I think that's very important, but obviously we have to start at some point, and that would be to build a trust with our partners.